of rain last night, so I don't know if I'm going to be able to get into the fields today to cut some more soybeans. I think we got like 0.15 of an inch rain last night, not too much, so the sun's out, and hopefully things will dry up and can get back into cutting those beans. So in the meantime, I'm going to head into town. I bought a new swing away auger. The auger that I've got is pretty old and pretty worn out, so I thought it was time to maybe buy a new auger, and I'm going to head in there and grab that and drag it home. Farm got the swing away auger back here. This is a Mayrath 10 by 63 foot swing away auger. Looking forward to using this. All right, just checked the beans, and they did dry out a little bit, so they look like they're ready to go. So I'm gonna head down the road here and get started on a little bit and see how far we get before it gets too wet tonight. Truck headed to get the beans we just cut. Got a load to empty, and then we got to move to another field. All right, well, that's all for this video. Tried to do a little bit more beans here, and it's too tough. They're starting to wrap up on the grain head, so it'll be time to quit. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and again, if you want to see some more content from this channel, go ahead and like and subscribe it, and I'll do what I can to put as much content as I can on here.